Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay today. So, different background. I'm in Birmingham for a few days seeing my family, and whilst I was in Birmingham, I was in the city centre, and they have the Flying Tiger, Tiger Copenhagen. Tiger to me. Don't know what other people call it, but everyone calls it a different one. They literally, if you don't know what Tiger is, they literally sell everything. And one of the favourite things that they sell, which I am obsessed with, is mystery bags. So I've got two. I've done a unboxing of one of the Tiger mystery bags before. I think I've got £2 ones, I think, but this one I have a £3 one and I have a £5 one, which I did not know exists. And you basically just get random stuff that they're trying to get rid of, and you get like suckers like me who choose to buy these things. So they have actually got three different sizes: a £2, £3 and a £7. They did actually have all three in stock, and I was looking, I was like, do I really need three mystery bags? Do I actually need any mystery bags? So instead of like deciding whether I need three mystery bags, I then go ahead and buy the two most expensive mystery bags. Yeah, the logic over that is non-existent. So I'm just going to crack into these. They literally have a little square circle on the front. I have not peeked this time. There's stickers on the back this time. They don't normally have stickers, and this just says no peeking, you'll spoil the surprise. Inside you will find things you need, things you dreamt of, and things to share with your friends and family. Surprise bags can't be exchanged or returned. This sticker on the front of the bag is used as a guide only. Well, oh, the stickers on the front of the bags. So that says for everyone. You know what? I'm so blonde. I could have sworn last time I bought it that somebody writ on the back like a category, and I was looking on all the backs of the bags to see if there was any categories. Could have just looked on the front. So, am I recording? Yeah. So, I'm going to start off with the £3 one. I just love Tiger. They literally sell everything that you don't need. Wow, that's tough to get into. So, I'm going to blind dip, and the first thing I pull out is, oh, what are these? Glitter glue. Oh my god, that's so cool. I thought those were sweets. So, got some glitter glue. I could do some crafting with my niece. That's cool. I mean, I could buy that for like £1, wouldn't you? So, next I have sticker. Oh, the stencils. Stencils! So, these are a stencil set, and it looks like they're science themed. I don't know, oh, there's different themes. So, a pack of stencils, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different categories. They're quite good. You could use these as like templates for on top of coffee when you're making a fancy coffee. If you want to have a globe on top of your coffee, or a basketball, or a musical note, or moving on. Next, what's this? Oh, this looks good. Oh, it's a notebook. You cannot have enough notebooks, and this is a nice one. Oh, hello, fancy. This is fancy. Okay. Wait, is that paper? I think that's fabric. Is that fabric? I don't know. It feels. Oh, sorry. This is the notebook. It's peach, yellow, and blue dots. It's striped inside, and it's printed down the edge. And this is a nice one, but it feels like it's fabric, like matte, like velvet. I don't know, but it's nice. I'm happy with that. I feel like for £3, I've got my money back already. And there's still more. I have. Ooh, what's this? Game over. Wait, what? Decorative tape. I'm confused. What does it do? So, it says that. I don't know what it does though. Does it say... Oh, the tape says game over. Okay, I can see it now. Can you see it down there? There's like writing on the tape and it says game over. So you press down and don't know why I need that, but I'm sure it will come in handy for something. There's still more people. These are cute. Highlighters with faces on. These are cute. I used to work with somebody who I feel like would absolutely love these. Her name's Alison. She's literally one of the most funniest people I've ever met. She is like the stationery queen. She loves stationery, and I feel like she would love these. I might actually, I've got a mutual friend, so I might see if she actually does want these, pass them on to my friend to pass on to her. So actually, she might, oh, I was going to say, I doubt it, she's going to make use of that, but I'm going to see if she wants these and post them to her. So they are cute. Next is, what are these? These are envelopes. Envelopes. Wait, what? Envelopes. Toy scrapbook for scrapbook. Envelopes for scrapbook. I'm confused. So I'm like, how are the envelopes? Oh, so for scrapbooking, you can like place them on there and you can put things in it. That's quite cute, actually. Might actually see if Alison wants these as well. Make a little stationery setup for her and send him her. What's this? Oh, it's a bookmark. Oh, that is cute. I am going to make good use of this at work. So it's a bookmark. You can clip it on and you can put a pen in it as well. Yeah, I like that. Is there any more? There's still more people. This is I don't know what this is. Is this a purse? It's a pencil case. How is it a pencil case? I'm confused. What does that do? Sorry, you can't. Oh my god, I'm sorry, you can't even see this. I don't know what this is. The top bit comes out. Does it turn inside out? I don't know. No idea what this is, guys. It's a pencil case of some sort, but it's like got an extender on it. So, clueless. Pencil case. And pencils. Okay. Oh, these are coloured pencils. Yeah, I feel like I'm going to see if my friends want a stationery hamper thing. They're cute. So, in a £3 bag, you get pencils, you get pencil case, you get a marker pencil holder, that's 3. You get these scrap things, that's 4. 5 are the highlighters, 6 is the game over thing, 7 is the notepad, 8 are the stencils, and 9 are the glues. So 9 items for £3. Not too bad. Let's get into this big bad boy. Oh, I'm so excited. So, ooh, this is a, what's that? Wait, is that for the, wait, what? Oh, it's not for my phone, but I could actually, it might fit my portable charger. It is a cable, and it's a funky long cable for micro USB. That might fit my portable charger. So I've got a portable charger cord thing. Then I got, oh, crafting frames. So these can go with your scrapbooking, so you can put frames on pictures. Then oh, it's for an iPhone, but it's a front sticker. So that is like a metallic pink. I haven't got an iPhone anymore, but I'm sure I can find somebody who's got an iPhone 7. Everything, it's falling out. What's happening? What is this? What is this? Is this up? What is it? I don't know what it is. Nothing's like working in my mind. Hanging decoration. It's a palm tree and you hang it from a ceiling. Why am I getting so emotional over this? I feel like I'm going to cry now. I don't know why. Oh my god. I don't know if it's happy tears or sad tears, but I have a tree thing I can hang from the ceiling. I've forgotten the name of it already. Pineapple? Pineapple tree? Coconut tree? Palm tree. Hey, palm tree can from out. Words fail me. I'm currently going to go and get this stuff that's now on the floor. I'm back. So, I've got more frames. I've got a chicken. Just a random little chick. Chicken, la 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 for me. I'm a bit tired, don't know if you noticed. And I've got another one of these pencil case things. These confuse me because, like, it's got. Can you see that it extends underneath there? There's like space there, but I don't know what it does. Am I just like. I don't understand how this pencil case works. So, what's next? What is this? I've got pins and needles in my foot now. This video is a hot mess because I am warm. So I've got this. This is a shoe holder. So I'm guessing you put it on the floor. You can put a shoe underneath and a shoe on top. So I've got one of those. I understand why they're putting these stuff in mystery bags. So there's still more. There's still more. This is. What is this? I don't know what this is. Document organizer. Sorry, I had to find the English word for what this actually was. Oh, I actually need some of these at work, so I would be keeping these. Document dividers. Anything else? Ooh, this is breakable. It's a candle. So I've got a blue candle. Is it scented? Oh! If that's scented, I don't know what that scent is. It doesn't say that it's scented. That smells rank. Oh, you lovely people, does anyone want a candle? It smells amazing. So I've got a candle. Oh my god, my foot, man. So, is there anything else? There's still more. It's wood. That's cute. You could like decorate these, couldn't you? So I'm guessing these are hobby stuff. Little pot thing. So, is there anything else? There's still more people. There's more pencils. Ah. Oh. I really hope Alison wants these because I really want to send them to somebody who would appreciate all of these. So, hi Alison, if you're watching. I know she sometimes watches my videos. So, this is a iPhone 5. I have got an iPhone 5, but I don't use it because it's an iPhone 5 and I have a new one. But yeah, I can keep that for my backup basically. That's what I keep the phone for. So, phone case. There's still more. More decorative tapes, and this is bananas. Bananas! Bananas! Who likes bananas? I feel like I know somebody who likes bananas who would appreciate this. Moving on. There's still more people. Oh my god. Ooh. I'm glue. Well, I'm Matt, pleased to meet you. Actually, it says limb glue. So, this is something with a paw on the end. Is it just a glue stick? That's a glue stick, and you've got a topper. You could use that on anything really. Oh my god, if you've got lip balm, that's the same shot size as lip balm. Just pop it on, and it's like poor thing. Woo, meow. So I'm gonna ask my friend to see if she wants this, because she is a crazy cat lady. In a good way, I mean. Not the same person that I'm talking about this stationery, because if I sent her that, I think I'd get a box full of razor blades back. So there's more. This is a V. That is a V. I have a V. And for my next consonant, can I have an A? No, that's a vowel. I don't know. I struggle with letters. Next, there's still more. There's still a few more actually. I have glasses. Does it suit me? Can you see what my my tripod is actually stacked up on? I've got a box of earphones with a Christmas Guess Who It game and 5 books. So that is what you're balancing on. So next, I have a P. So I have a V and a P. Can I spell anything with V and a P? PV. I just need an A now, then I've got PVA. I've got PVA glue. Oh, I'm too funny sometimes. Next, oh my god, I actually have another letter. Is this the last one? Okay, this is the last one, and it feels like one of those letters, and it's a C. Oh, I haven't got an A. So I've got a CPV. Don't know what I could do with them. CV, PVC, PVC. Is PVC something? If you're a company that's, I think PVC is a plastic. If you're a company that sells PVC and you want some letters, get in touch. I've got you covered. So that is everything in there. And let's have a quick count. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I think that's it. So 19 things in that one. These are cool. 19 things in that one, and I am extremely happy with how that turned out. Probably not going to use any of it, but it was a great surprise. Great bargain as well if you can make use of these. Do these suit me, or am I kidding myself? They're steaming off, so I'm taking them off. So, what are your thoughts on these mystery bags? I love these mystery bags. I love any mystery bag. I love any like mystery. I'm just, yeah, a mystery. Yes, so they are mystery bags from Tiger, if you haven't guessed already. If you've liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me loads of comments down below, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching, and it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.